Years after Crystal Rogers disappeared, emotions boiled over in court today as Nick Houck was back before a judge.
Edward Smith shows us the moment that sparked angry reaction from Crystal's mother, Sherry Ballard. Edward.
Nick Houck is facing a perjury charge stemming from false statements state police say he made between 2015 and 2023. The hearing turned tense immediately when he took a seat right in front of Sherry Ballard. Nick Houck back in court again Thursday after being charged with perjury last month. The brother of the man convicted of killing Crystal Rogers sat down in the row right in front of Rogers' mother, Sherry Ballard. Ballard so upset she moved seats once the hearing got underway.
I'm not sitting behind my husband's murderer. I'm not going to do that.
While Nick Houck hasn't been indicted in connection to Crystal Rogers' death, he was repeatedly named a co-conspirator during his brother's trial. He was also linked to the gun used to kill Sherry Ballard's husband, Tommy. And while officials have not specifically linked the perjury charge to Rogers' disappearance, police say he made false statements in the period shortly after Rogers disappeared. Houck was fired from the Bardstown Police Department in 2015 for interfering with the investigation of Rogers' disappearance.
And let the record reflect that attorney Michael Ferguson has been retained to represent Mr. Houck.
After showing up to his arraignment 2 weeks ago without a lawyer, today Houck appeared with a Bardstown-based defense attorney. The attorney signaled they will request a change in venue.
Do that, Judge, and we'll bring that before the court if necessary as soon as possible.
After court, Ballard blasted the move.
He's pathetic. That's just pathetic. He is such a crybaby. You can't own up to what you did. You can't face the people in this town.
Friday marks 11 years since her daughter went missing. Ballard vows to continue showing up to court.
This weekend, very hard on me. But I did it for, 11 years? And I'm going to keep pushing. And one day that family's going to be right where they deserve.
Court will resume for a pre-trial conference planned 2 weeks from now. Nick Houck's trial is set to begin in mid-November. Edward Smith, WLKY News.